Hello, welcome to your Finnish language journey. We're thrilled to have you here with us today. Learning a new language is like going on a big adventure. Imagine yourself as an explorer, setting out to discover new lands and cultures. Each word you learn is like a new landmark on your map, and you're about to explore Finnish. This beautiful language is spoken by over 5 million people in Finland and by Finnish communities around the world. It's a language rich in history and culture. It's super fun to learn new words and how they sound. Finnish has a unique rhythm and melody that makes it a joy to speak and listen to. You'll find yourself getting lost in the beauty of its sounds. Don't worry if it seems tricky at first. Every new language has its challenges, but that's part of the fun. Think of it as a puzzle that you're slowly piecing together. Each new word and phrase you learn is another piece of the puzzle. If you keep practicing, you'll be chatting in Finnish before you know it. Practice makes perfect, and the more you use the language, the more natural it will feel. Try to immerse yourself in Finnish as much as possible. Listen to Finnish music, watch Finnish movies, and try to speak with native speakers. The most important thing is to have fun. Learning a language should be an enjoyable experience. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. They're a natural part of the learning process. Laugh at your mistakes and learn from them. We'll take it one step at a time. Language learning is a journey, and every step you take brings you closer to your goal. Celebrate your progress, no matter how small. Each new word you learn is a victory. Ready to begin? Let's learn some Finnish. Hei. Hei means hello in Finnish. It's a simple word, but it's the first step on your journey to mastering this beautiful language. Uuden kielen oppiminen on kuin seikkailu. Learning a new language is like an adventure. Every new word and phrase you learn is a new discovery. It's a journey that will open up new worlds and new opportunities for you. Olet juri aloitamassa Suomen kielen tutkimusmatkaa. You're about to embark on a journey of discovery into the Finnish language. This journey will take you through the rich history and culture of Finland, and you'll learn to communicate with millions of people around the world. On hauska oppia uusia sanoja ja niiden antamista. It's fun to learn new words and their pronunciations. Finnish has a unique sound that is both challenging and rewarding to master. You'll enjoy the process of learning how to pronounce each word correctly. Ala huoli, jos aluksi tuntuu vaikealta. Don't worry if it feels difficult at first. Every new language has its challenges, but with persistence and practice, you'll overcome them. Remember, every expert was once a beginner. Harjoittelemalla opit puhumaan suomea ennen kuin huomaatkaan. Tarkeinta on pitää hauskaa. Etenemme askel kerrallaan. With practice, you'll be speaking Finnish before you know it. The most important thing is to have fun. We'll take it one step at a time, and before you know it, you'll be having conversations in Finnish. Oletko valmis aloitamaan? Opetellaan suomea. Are you ready to start? Let's learn Finnish together. This journey will be filled with fun, challenges, and lots of learning. So let's get started and enjoy the adventure of learning Finnish. Finnish has some sounds that might be new to you. These sounds can be quite different from what you're used to in your native language. For example, the Finnish language has unique vowels and consonants that may not exist in other languages. This can make it challenging at first, but also exciting as you discover new ways to use your voice. But don't worry, your mouth can learn to make them. Just like any other skill, it takes practice and patience. Start by listening carefully to native speakers and try to mimic the sounds they make. You might feel awkward at first, but with time, your pronunciation will improve. Remember, even native speakers had to learn these sounds as children. A good place to start is with the alphabet. The Finnish alphabet has 29 letters, and each one has a distinct sound. Familiarize yourself with these letters and their corresponding sounds. This will give you a solid foundation for learning the language. You can find alphabet charts online or in language learning books to help you get started. Listen closely to how Finnish people say the letters. Pay attention to the way their mouths move and the sounds they produce. This will help you understand the nuances of the language. You can watch videos of native speakers or listen to audio recordings to get a better sense of the pronunciation. Try to copy the sounds. Practice makes perfect, and the more you practice, the more natural it will feel. Use language learning apps or online resources to practice speaking and listening. Repeat words and phrases until you feel comfortable with them. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. They are a natural part of the learning process. You can find helpful videos online. There are many educational videos available that can guide you through the process of learning Finnish sounds and letters. These videos often include visual aids and pronunciation tips that can be very beneficial. Take advantage of these resources to enhance your learning experience. The more you practice, the easier it gets. Consistency is key when learning a new language. Set aside time each day to practice speaking, listening, and writing in Finnish. You can practice with a friend, join a language learning group, or even keep a journal in Finnish. The more you immerse yourself in the language, the more confident you will become. Stay curious and keep exploring. Learning a new language is a journey, and every step you take brings you closer to fluency. Embrace the challenges and celebrate your progress. With dedication and practice, you'll be able to master the sounds and letters of Finnish. What's the first thing you learn in a new language? How to say hello and goodbye. In Finnish, hello is hei, sounds like hey. To say goodbye, you say nakamin, sounds like nakamin. It might sound long, but you can do it. Practice saying hey and nakamin all day long. It's always good to be polite. In Finnish, please is ol haiva, ole haiva. It's a little long, but you can shorten it to just ol haiva. Thank you is kiitos, kiitos. Don't forget to smile when you say it. Practice saying ol haiva and kiitos as much as you can. Section 5. Simple Finnish sentences. Finnish sentences are put together a little differently than English sentences. But don't worry, you can learn the basics. Let's try a simple sentence. Minä olen suomalainen. This means I am Finnish. Minä means I, olen means am, and suomalainen means Finnish. See, you're already making sentences. Section 6. Learning with your ears. A great way to learn Finnish is by listening to it. Find some Finnish music, podcasts, or even TV shows. You might not understand everything at first, and that's okay. Just try to pick out words you know. Listening to Finnish will help you get used to how it sounds. Section 7. Fun with Finnish apps. There are many cool apps that can help you learn Finnish. Duolingo is a popular one that makes learning fun with games and quizzes. Memrise is another good choice that uses flashcards to help you remember new words. Find an app you like and use it often. Section 8. Keep going. Learning a new language takes time and effort. Don't give up if you don't see results right away. The most important thing is to keep practicing. Set small goals for yourself. Maybe learn 5 new words a day, or listen to a Finnish podcast for 10 minutes. Every little bit counts. Section 9. Your Finnish Phrasebook. This section is dedicated to helping you build a comprehensive collection of useful Finnish phrases that you can refer to anytime. Whether you're traveling to Finland, learning the language for fun, or preparing for a conversation with a Finnish friend, this phrasebook will be your trusty companion. Here are some of the phrases we learned today. Hey, hello nakamin, goodbye ole haiva, please kaitos, thank you. These basic phrases are essential for any beginner and will help you navigate through simple conversations. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to repeat them until they feel natural. Minä olen suomalainen, I am Finnish. This phrase can be particularly useful if you want to introduce yourself or express your identity. It's a great way to start a conversation and show your interest in the Finnish culture. Keep adding new words to your phrasebook as you learn more Finnish. The more phrases you know, the more confident you'll become in your language skills. Try to include phrases that are relevant to your daily life or interests. For example, if you love food, learn how to say different dishes and ingredients in Finnish. You can use it to practice how you say the words and remember them. Speaking out loud is a great way to improve your pronunciation and fluency. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. They are a natural part of the learning process. You can also record yourself and listen to the playback to identify areas for improvement. Onea matkaan. Good luck on your journey. Learning a new language is an exciting adventure, and your Finnish phrasebook is the perfect tool to help you along the way. Keep it handy and don't forget to review it regularly. The more you use it, the more you'll learn and the more enjoyable your language learning journey will be.